Good morning, 5th grade. This is Tuesday, April the 28th, and this is your math lesson for the day. Okay, we are on 12.2, so go ahead and get your book and turn to page 590 and pause me until you get there. Okay, on page 590, let's look at the example. We're drawing polygons in a coordinate plane today, and the idea here is that we're going to use these ordered pairs that we've been working with to really make shapes, different polygons, and be able to identify that shape. Okay, so let's look at the first one, the vertices. And a vertex is basically just a corner. It's where these two lines are intersecting. The vertices of a polygon are A, 2, 2. So 2 is our x, and this 2 is our y. So we're going to go over 2 and up 2. We're going to put a dot, and don't forget to label that as an A. The next one is 3, 5 for B. So over 3 and up 5. It's over, up, and we're going to label that as B. C is 6, 6. So 6 and then up 6. We're going to label that as C. And D is 6, 2. Over 6 and up 2. Okay, now that we have them all plotted, we want to connect the dots here and see what shape this is and identify it. All right, we have a four-sided figure. Does anybody know what a four-sided figure is called? Quadrilateral. Now, do you see any parallel sides? These two sides are not parallel. Remember, parallel means they're like railroad tracks. Side by side, they're not going to touch. These are not parallel. These are not parallel, which means this is just a quadrilateral. And I wanted to show you in the very back of your book, right? It's a reference sheet. My book says A26, and I'm not sure if that's going to be the same as yours, but this book is all the different types of quadrilaterals. Rhombuses and squares, four parallel sides. These have right angles. Here, rectangles and squares are 4 parallel sides with right angles. Trapezoid, one set of parallel sides. These two are not parallel. And a quadrilateral has no parallel sides. And these are all types of parallelograms. So that's kind of a cool image you should memorize. Okay, let's look at these other two. Number 1, draw the polygon with the vertices in a coordinate plane and then identify it. So J is 0, so we're not going over, and we're going straight up to 8. 0, 8. 4, 7, over 4, up 7, over up. Oops, I forgot to label that. I'm sorry. J, and this is K. And L is 5, O. Okay, well, there's only 3 lines here. Now, you neatly want to connect these. You can use a ruler, too, if you want. I just don't have one right here. Okay, what shape is that? Triangle. All right, and the last one, P is 1, 4, so over 1, up 4. And I forgot, this is King, forgot to label that one. Okay, this is P. Q is 2, 7, up over 2, up 7. This is Q. 6, 7 is R, over 6, up 7 is R, and 7, 4, over 7 and up 4 is S, and T is 4, 1, over 4 and up 1, and that's T. Okay, let's connect these dots neatly. Okay, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. Anybody know what that's called? Starts with a P, and you can't see my writing, can you? There you go. Pentagon. That's right, pentagon. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing with pages 591 and 592. And let's look at this example. Okay, you and a friend are using computer software to create a symmetric company logo using a coordinate plane. Your friend completes 1/2 of the logo as shown. You draw the other half. Then list the vertices of the logo. So plot the vertices for the other half of the logo on the opposite side. So we're starting here, And you can see we are going 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right, because we went 3 spaces to the left over here. So that is 7, 4. And then up here, we went straight up there. We're going to go straight up here. 7, 7. And we're going to connect that. And we have another pentagon. So we're supposed to write the vertices of those logos. So let's start with this one. This is 4, 2. This one is 1, 4. 1, 7. 7, 4. And 7, 7. Okay. All right, so you're going to be doing the other half of these shapes also. All right, have a good day.